Hey there! Are you suffering from an IELTS problem? Maybe you're giving the International English Language Testing exam, but you're finding certain types of difficulties while addressing that paper and that paper. There are Cambridge papers that you find really difficult to focus on, and there are free online papers that whenever you see them, you feel like, okay, I'm done with this, but why can't I solve just this type of question? Why can't I solve the yes, no, not given in the reading or the MCQ in the listening? What is my weaknesses? What are my fragilities while I'm trying to solve that paper? There you go. We have a solution for you. All you need to do is drop in our Google form your problems. You can write that problem down, you can leave an audio message, or you can even drop this entire screenshot or screen video where you show the entire problem that you are facing. And within a week, I will try to create a video upon all the queries I received in the last 7 days, and in that video that drops, that will be premiered, you can put a notification on for the channel and you will have your queries answered. That's all I can do for you, and if you need any other help or assistance regarding your IELTS preparation, please knock us at our official page named eSchool. We provide all the customized learning services for anyone's IELTS preparation, be it academic or general. I hope you have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.